So what is up, you guys? So today me and Zach are going to be installing halogen headlights in his low beams and high beams into his car, and that's what we're gonna do today. If you guys can't tell, I'm actually a little bit underneath the weather right now. I got sick this week and it just keeps getting worse right now. I really don't know, but we're gonna work on Zach's car, get this done, and it's really cold outside. And then we're gonna go head back inside because we're trying to get this done as quick as possible. I'm gonna work on one set of headlights while Zach works on the other set of headlights to get this done as quick as possible so we can go in quicker because it's really cold outside. But that's basically all. We're gonna get to work, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Headlights aren't coming out right now, and lately the other day when we worked on the car, the headlights were able to come out. So we think they're kind of frozen in there. We're done. Easy. We can get the lights out at first, and we can figure out how to get the bulbs out. Ooh, they're a lot brighter. These are a lot brighter than those old bulbs. They're a lot better. What's next? We gotta get some parts for the truck. And I know some people want the truck series build. So I know a couple of my buddies I know a couple of you guys watch this out of my buddies, and I have asked about the truck build. It's a lot of money for the truck right now. Just for me to order all my parts, it's around $2,000 to $3,000. So I gotta wait a little bit. I'm not trying to spend all my money right away. But we're done. Finished product. Right there. They're a lot brighter. Yeah, you do. Your right ones are more foggy. Alright, so we're done. I'm gonna go inside and warm up. Probably go back to sleep for a little bit. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And always comment down below and saying hi. It'll be nice to at least talk to a couple of you guys in the comments. I'll see you guys later. Bye.